You tired, puppy?
He just loves his dad.
No way. He didn't get her laptop by blowing down the door of her office. That's from Thunderbolt and Lightfoot.
Just seeing if you're still paying attention.